Exploring the phrase, woodworker's delight. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of phrases, focusing on woodworker's delight. Understanding such phrases can enrich your vocabulary and comprehension of English. Let's embark on this journey together, discovering the meaning and usage of this intriguing phrase. Woodworker's delight is not a commonly used idiom or phrase with a universally recognized meaning. Instead, it's a descriptive phrase that could refer to anything that brings great satisfaction, joy, or utility to someone who works with wood, such as a carpenter or woodcraft hobbyist. The key components of this phrase are the joy and satisfaction derived from working with wood or achieving something significant in woodworking. Woodworker. A woodworker is someone skilled in crafting items out of wood, ranging from furniture and cabinets to sculptures and tools. This term highlights the craft and artistry involved in transforming wood into functional or decorative items. Delight. Delight signifies a high degree of pleasure or enjoyment. When combined with woodworker, it emphasizes the profound satisfaction and happiness that woodworkers experience in their craft, whether through the act of creation, the achievement of a challenging task, or the final product itself. In English, the phrase, woodworker's delight, can be used in various contexts, such as describing a new tool, technique, or piece of wood that is particularly pleasing or beneficial for woodworking. For example, a state-of-the-art saw or a rare, high-quality piece of timber could be described as a woodworker's delight, due to its potential to enhance the craft. Learning phrases like woodworker's delight helps you grasp the nuances of the English language. It showcases how English speakers often create new meanings and expressions based on the combination of words, catering to specific hobbies, professions, or interests. This understanding can aid in both your comprehension and creativity in using English. We hope this exploration of woodworker's delight has been enlightening and enjoyable. Phrases like this enrich our understanding of English, highlighting the language's beauty and flexibility. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find your own delight in the nuances of English. Thank you for joining us, and see you in our next video.